Hello class, this is Parul Adhikari, your English teacher, and in today's video we are going to start with punctuation marks. So you must be thinking about what are punctuation marks. So punctuation marks include full stop, comma, question marks and other such marks that are needed to clarify the meaning of a sentence. For example, if I just want to write, "How are you?" So how the reader would get to know that this is a question? So for that, we have different punctuation marks that we used in our sentences. So let's have a look. You must be familiar with the full stop. You must have seen it also. So full stop is basically used to end a normal sentence. Normal sentence means any sentence in which we are talking about something or someone. For example, my mother cooks delicious food. So this is a normal sentence and I have put a full stop after ending this sentence. And the other use of full stop is for the abbreviations. So what are abbreviations? Abbreviations are the shortened form of words. For example, doctor, Mr. There are many words which are in abbreviated forms. Just have a look on the example now. Dr. Mohan lives in Delhi. Doctor, so you can clearly see that DR dot is an abbreviated form of DOCTOR, doctor. So this is how we need to put full stop after the abbreviations. Let's move to the next one. The next punctuation mark is comma. A comma is used to separate words in a series. For example, if you are having many similar words in the sentence, so you can use comma there. For example, I bought eggs, comma, bread, comma, butter and jam. So, I went to market and I bought so many things. Okay? If the person asks you that what you have bought, so what did you reply? That I bought eggs, bread, butter and jam. When you are writing the words in a series, then you need to put comma between them. And in the last word, you need to put and. For example, my friends are Komal, Rashi, Megha and Tamanna. Okay, so this is how you will put comma between the names of friends. Next use of comma is you need to put comma between a date and a year and also between a city and a state. For example, he lives in Subhash Nagar, New Delhi. Subhash Nagar is a city and New Delhi is a state. So now you can use comma in your day-to-day writing work. Now let's move to the one of the important component of punctuation mark. That is capital letters. Capital letter is not a specific punctuation mark, but it is used very perfectly or very carefully in sentences. Without using of capital letters, your sentence will be incomplete. So you must have seen capital letters in alphabets, right? Alphabet means A, B, C, D and so on till Z. Okay? So have a look that on the left side of the screen there are some letters given, and on the right side of the screen there are some letters given. So out of these two, which are the capital letters? Yes, the answer is correct. The one which is in the left side. Okay, so we are going to talk about capital letters. So now let's see the use of capital letters. As you can see, the first letter of every sentence should always be capital. It means when you are writing a sentence, then the first letter should always be capital. For example, Ram has eaten all the chocolates. So the first letter is R, right? Ram's R should be capital now because it is the very first letter of this sentence. So now let's move to the second use of capital letters. So whenever you see a name of a person or a name of a place, so you should always start it with capital letters. Okay? Name of a person like Vaibhav, Rani, Ragni. There are many names. Okay? And the places like Delhi, Jaipur, Goa. So whenever you are writing a name of a person or a name of a place, then it should be started with capital letter. Have a look on the example now. This bag belongs to Mohit who lives in Jaipur. So the first letter is T. So the T should be capital. After that, M should be capital also because it is a name of a person. And then Jaipur. Jaipur's J should be capital because it is a name of a person.